was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something out of nothing.
You too, what's up, man? 7-8 Chevy boy back at you, man. We be back out here, man. This morning, we rolling, me and my boy Kevin, he behind me. You know see him? Kevin, he behind me, man. We in the photo coupe, man. We in the scooter car. We headed out here, man, to my boy Joe Morrow, man. I've hosted him on my video before. He does paint and body, and he also has a used car lot as well. He has a used car sales lot, and man, I'm taking scooter car here, man, because we had somebody to bag into us, man. Somebody we know, pretty much like a family member, but they agreed to take care of the damages. So I went and got a quote from my boy Joe, and I got her a quote from, another place, so she can see that she's getting a deal by going with Morrow's Body, paint and body, man. So we headed out here to drop it off to Joe, man. I know he gonna get me in and out, do his thing. Morrow's body shop, man. So when we pull up, I'll definitely get y'all the info. If you're in the Memphis or surrounding areas, man, you need a good body man, good paint man to take care of your needs, man. If you have any trouble with that, man, make sure y'all hit up my boy Joe, man. So we finna pull up here in a minute. I'm gonna show y'all the damage, and with the speed of editing, we'll come back when Joe get done with the car. You know what I'm saying? And show y'all how the results are once Joe fix it up for us, man. So we'll be there in a minute. All right. Show y'all out here at my boy Morrow's Auto Body and Sales, baby. Let me show y'all what he got going on, man. Hold on. We out here, man. Morrow's Body Shop, 455 Scott Street. 455 Scott Street. Man, look like something going on down there, man. See the lights flashing. Something going on. But yeah, y'all need any collision work needs, any paint and body needs, man, come holler at my boy, man. These is his auto body office hours, man. His number 901-323-5267. That's for your office. That's for your auto body hours, man. Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, closed on Saturdays and Sundays, man. Then we got the auto sales side. 455 Scott Street, 901-552-4543. Monday by appointment only. Tuesday, 10 to 6. Sunday he closed, man. Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 6. Sunday he's closed, man. So he got 3 out there right now, man. Joe be selling them cars like hotcakes, man. For real. He can't keep them. I bet you next time I come back out here, something's gonna be gone. One of them gonna be gone, maybe all of them. We pray all of them be gone, man. Yes, sir. But we out here though. Morrow's Body Shop, man. Make sure you holler at my boy. Let me show y'all the damage. The damage that was done to the scooter car. Boy, kid. Boy, be looking out for me, man. But this the damage right here. Little back quarter panel damage, little bumper damage. But Joe said he gonna take care of it for me. Yes, sir. So we'll definitely come back, man. He said it ain't even gonna take long. I ain't even gonna tell y'all how long. He told me how quick. He told me he gonna turn it around, man. I gave him longer than that. But what I'll do, I'll tell you today is Monday, July the 13th. That's what today is. And I'll let y'all know when we get it back, baby. All right, 7-8 Chevy boy. Dropping the photo coupe off, man. All right, y'all keep it locked.
Keeping it straight.
Work done. Get this primer. I'm looking at myself prime. I really ain't watching the screen, so if I ain't got it where it needs to be, so be it. Working.
Back out here to Joe's shop. Pick up the photo coupe, man. For a little scoop. Yeah, man, we got a whole lot of graffiti around here, man. A whole lot of graffiti. They just redid this wall over. It was different. Somebody vandalized it, man. They redid it over. Yeah. About to pull up on Joe, man. We out here in Binghamton. This is where Penny Hardaway grew up out here, man. Yeah. Y'all see Joe drove the murdered out in Impala today, man. Yeah. Oh, he got young Scoop sitting out. School sitting out. Okay. Okay. Check it out. Man, that's my car? That's my car? It's already fixed? I'm like, yeah, man. See, when you know people, when you connected and respected, man, people will take care of you, man. And that's my homeboy anyway. So he took care of me, man. You know, this Scooter first car. So the person that did it offered to pay for it. So Joe said he was gonna fix it and blend it back, man, and it's fine with me. This Scooter first car, man, but that's some good work though. That's some good work, man. Don't think it ain't no good work. Yes, sir. We out here, man. Morrow's Body Shop. Scooter got a nice little car, man. Y'all already know. I told my wife, we were riding in it one night. No, she told me. She said, yeah, we should have charged them something for this car. Joe did the headlights. Them headlights was this color. So he redid them. Touched them up, man. That's why I gotta bring the Lexus over here. Bring my Lexus over here, man. Put me a windshield in my Lexus. I'm finna wash it off this evening. Yep. But yeah, man, y'all keep it locked, man. 78 Chevy boy. We got young Scoop back on the road, baby. Yes, sir. Stay humble. Stay prayed up. Stay out the way, man.
seven, my seven, my seven. I'm keeping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven, my seven, my seven. I got the free gas. My seven, my seven, my seven. I'm keeping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven, my seven, my seven.
Motherfucking free gas mix.